Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 5 of my Porsche 911 GT3 RS build using the Lamborghini Sian Parts. Last time got the steering wheel on and the flappy paddle gearbox shifter part, and started on the suspension. Had a little mistake with the beam needing a 15 beam and accidentally putting in a 13 beam. Anyway, got that fixed, and now we're going to continue. Okay, so we got that hooked up. Now we need to actually lock things in here. So we have some of these guys, and we will have some axle brown. Oh, I'm supposed to do this 2 times with these brown axles. And get that in there. Okay, so this is like so. I need to just double check where that. It's just showing that it's supposed to sit there. So it's sitting there. Not hooked up to anything. And we'll push these through here. Right. And those go through there. And we have 2 more of the, oh, not those ones. And they go on the other side. So I guess they'll lock in like that. A little bit strange right now, not having that suspension piece locked in yet, but we will be locking it in next. Okay, so I need 4 of the little collars. I'm gonna need 2 more after that, so let's just grab those and put those on all these axles. Okay. And then I gotta stick 2 more of those brown 3 axles and get those in there. Okay. Now we have suspension. There we go. It's a little bit weird. It is a little bit different, I have to say, that suspension. A little bit different. But yeah, those are all lined up, and I need a gray axle with a lip on it and that looks like another black gear, small black gear. So that's supposed to go through there. And like that. Okay. 3 beam. And this one goes up here. That's actually holding those frames together a bit. And we have a 4-length black axle. Red axle connector and another black gear, little black gear. So that's going up here. Okay. And now 2 ball joints, gray ball joints with the axle connection. Okay, they're going into those axle points on the steering arms here. Okay, those are on. And now the big steering gear. I did have to purchase that. I do know this is in like other sets this one's in, so it's not like a completely unusual piece for this, but this is different, putting these axles over here. And then I have the gray 90-degree axle and pin connection. Okay, like that. And now those go, oops, I went backwards, didn't I? And now those two arms. And 2 of those half, where did I put those? I put those in here, right? A pin and a half, they're a pin and a half. They go in there. Pin and a half, and those. Okay, that's supposed to sit in front, on top like that. Okay, because this is going to steer. Okay. And that's connected now. There we go. So that's going to steer it. Is that just going to, is that just to keep it from falling off? Ah, interesting. Okay, now we have the larger black gear. Is that right? Oopsie. Okay, there we go. So it doesn't fall apart. Okay, and now the other I-beam. We'll pop that through here. And we're gonna put that right there. I guess that's gonna keep it from, it's not gonna hit each other anyway. L-beam. Gray L-beam, big L. Okay, and one of those one beams here. Okay, so this is going in the middle here. And then this goes, this goes on top like that. Okay. We're getting things solidified there. Oh, now it's these yellow pieces. So we need 2 of the yellow, or these axles. We need these 4 yellow half beams. That is specifically what we got them for, is this, along with these 4 white, yellow, or these 2 of these yellow tiles. I got 4 of those. And yeah, just with the yellow for this part anyway. And 4 yellow collars, so this is like the yellow. This is where the yellow pieces go. Uh-oh, there's the last yellow collar. Okay. So have to do this twice. So we got two small red axles too. And the 4 stud pins. Okay, there's those. It's up, and then that is supposed to, oopsie, it's supposed to go here. And then that goes like that. And these gray axles go this way. And the collars, do we put 2 of them on there? Oh no, we put one on the bottom and then one goes on the top once we hook it up into this side of the, oh, these are supposed to, oh, that's why we don't have the bars in this. So they switched to the bars to do brakes after this. So that's interesting. So these are supposed to be the brakes. Ah. So after this set, they switched to doing the bars and the big discs. That's why you can't use the big discs on this, because this is how we're doing the brakes. Oh, that's interesting. So they didn't, yeah, they decided this wasn't the greatest looking brakes, and they actually switched to the bars and using the those curved slopes on there. But that's similar to, yeah, they have that. It's like these curved slopes that they would use for the Lamborghini, and they make those the brakes. And you hook them to some bars that would hang off of there with some arms. I mean, I could do that here, but I'd have to, like, I guess there might be a way to do it. Might be a way. Oh, and then you're supposed to put stickers on there. Ah, that's interesting. So they switched to a different method after this one. Because I'm pretty sure the Bugatti, yeah, the Bugatti has the new style. Yeah, that's neat. Anyway, this goes here. Oh, that's supposed to hook on there too. Okay, so always fun. Extra. There we go. That's hooked up. Okay, now we have some pins. Okay, we got 2 of these. 2 of these. Okay, we doing that way. Okay, we do axle. Where do these go? These go up here. Okay, those are in there. And then this with the 3. Okay, and then this goes this way. Okay, and then a blue pin going this way. Okay, so like that. And this is sitting, oh, this is gonna sit in there, okay. And then it's going to go like that. And we have one of these guys, these sockets, and that is going to go here. So we can try to get that hooked up. Okay, so now, where did I put that? Put that one, okay, it's here. So here that is. 5 beam, and we have one of those and one of these. So we're doing this like homemade connection again for this differential type piece. Oh, because it is doing something strange right here. So we gotta put that there. This is quite the weird thing to have to put together here. So this is sticking way out over here, right? So I'm supposed to put this on here and get that gear in there. Okay, so that's just, I don't know, that's different. Way over here, it's sticking way out there. Oh, we're pushing it through. We are pushing it through. Okay, so we gotta get the connection piece on there so that we can, stretch it out. Okay, now it should stretch out. Okay, there we go. Oh, look at that. That is quite the connection. That is very different. They don't quite do anything like, and yeah, I don't think they do quite something like that. They've made like using a lot of like these actual pieces instead of like they would have made just to come down and just use these. A couple of those. So did they have these before the Bugatti? Is that why they didn't use them? I don't know. It would be something to look up, I guess. Okay, this is supposed to go in over here. And then this collar's gotta go on here. Hold that together. Now an 11 beam. That is 11, and blue pin here. Where's this going? It goes on this side and it goes through there to hold this all to match it all up. Hold it together and we get some steering. There's the thing, it's like, there's the steering. There we go. I wonder if they did it that way because this actually keeps it straight when it's straight. That's always something in the newer ones where it's always like, it seems a little bit off on the steering. When you try to get the steering wheel straight, it's like not straight with the wheels aren't quite straight. Okay, so now what is this gonna do? I got 2 of these. I've got pins down here. Okay, so we can hook those up. And a pin is over here. Okay. And now, a T. Now where's this T go? The T is gonna go over here, or top of the axle there. And we have another gray frame piece. That's like that. And the pins go in there. And this goes on this side over top of all those pins. Okay. And then another gray frame piece. Put that there. And this one is gonna go here. Look at that. Oh, that's gonna, so that's like the passenger side firewall. And now I would glue one of these. Okay, the axle pin goes in there. The long blue pin goes here, and then we're supposed to push that through there. And then that goes down. Oop. Like that. Okay, and now a 5 beam in gray. Got 3 black pins and a 1 blue pin on this one. Okay, like that, and this goes, it's gonna go on top here. Okay. Now what is this gonna be? Is this gonna be, let's see, we got one of these. Put this like that. And then I have this piece is gonna go where? Okay, we do this. Put a black pin in, and we gotta do this 2 times. Black pin in there, and then we take 2 of those pins. We're gonna do this twice too. And then we're going to flip them like that. Okay. And then three of these 90-degree axle pin connectors in gray. Goes like that, and then we have 2 these guys, and then there's a tile, which I don't have. Of course, it is the custom tile. Do I have a white? So plain white 1x4 somewhere? I might. Not plain. Where are those? I don't know if I've got those in here still. They should be. Oh, there. Do I have 1x4s in here? I don't know. I do. I have a plain white 1x4. Okay. Pop that on there. It's gonna be on there. I don't know if I would be able to make a sticker for that, but possibly. Okay, so now I need these. I need a 4-axle collar. Gray 90 connector here. Wait a second, so it's this way? No, it's supposed to go this way. And then the three 90 degree connection, 3 length 90 degree connection. Okay. And this is supposed to connect like so. And then a 7 beam. And that goes here. Oh, this is just going in here. Oh, this goes in the driver's side. Okay. And that's just supposed to hang in there. Great. Okay. There we go. And then, okay, so that's like in there. And then we have this red pin and it's supposed to, yeah, we're supposed to push that in there. Can I push that in there? There it goes. There, now it's hooked up. Okay, so this like will lift up, I guess. That's kind of neat. Kind of neat. Now we have a 13 beam. Gray. And that is supposed to go on the top here. Okay. Okay, and I think we'll stop there. So that has been part 5 of my Porsche 911 GT3 RS build. This time we got this front suspension connected as well as the steering. The steering is all working now. So that is pretty neat. Very different steering compared to the newer sets. And we got this little piece in here on, oh, I guess I'm supposed to snap that in there too. Anyway, there we go. Looking good so far. Anyway, if you would like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and take it easy.